Ever wanted to bring a burst of color and happiness to your design? Let's dive into how to create a stunning rainbow effect right here in Adobe Illustrator. First, select the rectangle tool from your toolbar and create a long, horizontal rectangle. Now, it's time to add the magic gradients. Open your gradient panel. If it's not already open, usually found in the color panel, click on the gradient icon to apply it to your design. You'll initially see a black and white gradient. We'll change this. Double-click on the first gradient stop and choose the color red. Next, double-click the next stop and select orange. Continue by double-clicking the next stops and changing the colors yellow, green, light blue, indigo, and finally, violet, completing our rainbow spectrum. Select the direct selection tool, that's the white arrow. Click and drag the middle point of the gradient to expand the color sections and create a broader look. There you have it, a beautiful rainbow in Illustrator. Play around with the gradient stops to customize the effect. Experiment with different colors and gradients and create your own style.